We're rolling.
When you go to put this chain bar on here in the chain, there is a hole right there, and it needs to be lined up right there. Now, once you get it back on there, it should look like that with the little piece sticking out right there. That keeps the chain bar from sliding back and forth. Just a moment and I'll show you how to tighten the chain up. Now when the chain gets loose, if you'll look right here beside the chain bar, there is a Phillips screw, and you can turn that and that will tighten the chain, and it brings that chain bar up. But be sure to loosen this nut off just a little bit before you start trying to tighten it. Once you get it tight, tighten that nut back up. And that's all there is to that. One last thing I want to tell you is the button right here is the safety button, so you can't pull the trigger and start it until you push that button. Once you push that with your thumb, then you can squeeze. But it won't, it's a safety device. Just thought I'd let y'all know about that.